Alright, so I got a problem. Okay, I found my cracked header. Believe it or not, there's a stainless steel header under here that cracked. It's in a very tight spot. I want to go get muffler cement, but the problem is this is my only transportation unless I try driving the mini bike on this hot summer's day over to the auto parts store. And I don't know if that's going to fly. I'm not really in the mood to test that out today. Maybe when the weather's cooler. Anyway, so I released the jack, and you know what the problem is? I even put grease on here. The pins are both out. You see those two safety pins? Now you don't want to put your hand in there. This thing was released, and I can't get it to go down. Cannot get it to go down. It's like jammed. You see this? See underneath here, you see the jack is loose. It doesn't want to come down on this side. I think what happened is the way I drove it up, if it's not perfect, it got cocked just a little bit to this side. Okay, I tried going back and forth with the car. I can't. Rocked it just a little bit. I have chocks under the back wheels. I got an idea here. I'm gonna push on the other side of the car, pressing this way, rock it, and we're gonna see if this thing goes back. Now I'm gonna set the camera right here so you guys will be able to see what happens if I can get these things to drop down by pushing on the other side of the car. I don't know, is this safe? I heard it make a noise, but unfortunately, I don't think it moved down much. I think I got a problem here, and it's too big of a drop off to run the tire down that way. I could try prying under this wood to raise up this part of the ramp. That might be an option. I definitely want to do it with a long enough pry bar. I wonder if I have a crowbar around that I could use. I think that might work. I got to tilt it toward the tire. Let me see if I got a crowbar. Okay guys, what do you think of this thing? I happen to have this in the garage. It's a good pry bar. Almost got it. This is sketchy. Look at that, look at that. I'm moving the whole car up and down. I bet you it's gonna work. Yeah, you know what this thing is? This is one of those push to release. Is this dangerous? There it goes. That's part of the design. They didn't tell you about this part. They didn't tell you about that. Jeff Bezos, Amazon. He don't tell you about that part. Alright guys, subscribe to the channel. More coming up.